Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming quick prerequisites. You have admin rights and the laptop is near the router. Once done, open command prompt as administrator. Now run ipconfig/all to read your current IP4 address, subnet mask, and default gateway. Write them down. Next, disable and re-enable the Wi-Fi adapter in network connections to clear transient issues. This often resets DHCP. If you see an IPIPA address like 169.254.x, make a note that signals DHCP failure and tells you where to focus next. Next, you run targeted network commands to fix configuration issues. First type ipconfig/release, then ipconfig/renew to ask the router for a new address. If that fails, reset the Windows networking stack with netch winsock reset and netch int IP reset. These commands clear socket and IP table corruption. Make sure to reboot after they are complete. While rebooting, verify the adapters. IP4 properties are set to obtain IP and DNS automatically, because a wrong static address could be preventing DHCP from working. To finish, verify whether the problem is IP assignment or DNS. Ping 8. If that works, ping www. Google.com to test DNS. If both fail, connect via Ethernet or another Wi-Fi network to isolate router versus laptop issues. Update the wireless driver from Device Manager if packets are dropped. One quick troubleshooting trick. Assign a temporary static IP4 in the router subnet with the correct gateway and DNS. If that restores access, the DHCP on the router is likely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.